This is the Tammy hair weave. We are continuing with the haircut. This is backstage. We are getting ready for the video shoot, and we're continuing to carve and adjust the length of the fringe to fit the model's face. We are slicing the hair at an angle using the center point in the crown as our guide. The hair is shortest in the crown and the fringe gets longer on the sides.
Oh, it feels good.
Yeah. Okay, move her back to the room. I mean, to the wall, so I can get a clear wall.
To the wall.
Yeah.
To the wall.
Watch yourself.
The wall is your business. It's on, everything you're doing is on the wall.
So you got a clean backdrop.
That gives it.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Different
Feel.
Yeah.
And it is more balanced.
Am I working it or what?
Yes, you are. Yeah, you are.
I don't have my big weave on, but that's okay.
Yeah, because I'm just doing shoulders up.
Okay, cool. Okay, that's fine. No
You
worry about my
can't
tattoo.
you can't have on all that stuff.
Okay. That's
Okay,
what
now
I'm saying.
turn towards me. Let me get some eye action.
Go ahead.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, I love it.
Now, I got to do one thing.
Okay, what you got to do?
I want to open this up. I'm tired of this right here.
Okay, what you gonna do?
Yeah.
We have an entire video that details the placement of the hair weave wefts. Now, it doesn't matter if it's a weft or if it's individual plugs for clip-ins or fusion clip-ins, or if it's tape-in. It doesn't matter. The placement is what's important. The placement is what determines how the artificial hair flows with your natural hair and how it flows in the world, whether it falls naturally or if it's stiff like an old wig. You can see here how the placement of the wefts, the hair weave, allowed us to make a natural part. And that just lends the overall look to a more natural hairstyle. It doesn't look so wiggy. A little bit of hair can go a long way. We use no more than 9 inches of hair to achieve this hairstyle. The rest of the hair is her natural hair. We gave her a relaxer, we gave her a really good haircut, we sculpted and molded her, and then we applied the hair weave.
Yeah, yes, that is so it. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, I'm good.
Yes. 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 Okay.
We're done.
We love hair and we have fun playing with it. And if you're into that, we want you to join us. Click the subscribe button, leave us a comment, give us a thumbs up, and come play with us in one of our master classes. Come visit us at beautywellnesshaircare.com.